Hello, dear students. Good morning to all of you. Now we are going to study chemistry chapter first. Now here composition of matter. Matter is composed of tiny particles called atoms, which are building blocks or basic units of every matter. The smallest particle that exhibits all the properties of matter is called an atom. Molecules are the smallest particle of matter which have independent existence. Atoms do not have independent existence, they combine together to form molecules. A molecule is made up of same or different kinds of atoms. Characteristics of particles of matter. The particles of matter are very small in size. Particles are always in continuous zigzag motion called the Brownian movement. They have kinetic energy. Their energy increases with increase in temperature and decreases with decrease in temperature. The space between the particle of matter is called interparticle or intermolecular space. The force of attraction existing between the particles of matter is called interparticle or intermolecular force of attraction. The force of attraction between the same kind of particle is called cohesive force, but between the different kinds of particles is called adhesive force. As the intermolecular space between the particles of matter decreases, the intermolecular force of attraction between them increases. Classification of matter. Matter can be classified into two ways on the basis of physical state or chemical constituent. Now, on the basis of physical state, all the matters have been categorized in solids, liquid, or gases. And here is given properties of states of matter. Now we see here in activity to show that particles have intermolecular force of attraction. Globules of mercury are placed in petri dish at a certain distance from one another. The petri dish is shaken slowly. In observation, the mercury globules come together and form a big globule. Conclusion here, the molecules of mercury globules attract each other so that they combine together to form one mercury molecule. It shows that particles have intermolecular force of attraction. Now, to show the molecular nature of solids and gases, take little amount of ammonium chloride crystals in a closed